In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller if it's not responding or acting weird. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is turn off your PlayStation 5 completely to avoid any connections issues. So essentially go ahead and press that PlayStation button and then go over to the power section and just turn off the PS5 fully. Now, obviously, if your controller is not working, just hold down on that power button and it'll power it off. But what you're going to want to do is actually flip your controller over and look near the Sony logo, and you're going to see a very, very tiny hole. That's going to be the reset button. Grab something like a paper clip or a SIM card tool and gently press inside the hole. Don't jam anything in there. Gently press it and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. And once that's done, turn your PlayStation 5 back on and connect the controller using a USB-C cable. Finally, press that PlayStation button in the center of your controller and your controller should reconnect and work normally again. But that is it. It's super quick and easy. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.